Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're well, and feel free to subscribe while you're here. Thank you so much. You can just click that button that says subscribe. Oh, thank you. I feel it. All right. Sephora haul part 2. I feel like I feel really late in putting this out there for you. When did this arrive? I think over the weekend, and I've just been like, you know, getting to it. But this was, so I bought some pricey stuff, not terribly pricey, but I always feel like I need to talk about, oh no, I'm not doing a drugstore video. I decided I wanted to try some popular stuff, you know, buy some new releases, launches, and then use that as homework for future dupes. So you're welcome. Okay, so I got quite a few lipsticks because I thought that's the most fun thing to dupe, right? So let's do those first. Wait, did I only get maybe I only got 2 lipsticks. Okay. It always ends up that way where you spend $200 and then you're like, oh, okay, 4 things, great. This is makeup, high-end, mostly. So we'll start with lipstick. First thing, this has a lip gloss. I'm not gonna get it out because it's a gift. This is the Fenty Beauty. It has a little lip gloss and it's a Diamond Balm Baby. Travel Luminizing Set, Diamond Balm, All Over Diamond Veil, and Universal Lip Luminizer, the Gloss Balm. I just thought it looked so cute. So that's going in Emma's stocking. Yeah, because she's a fan of Fenty, but you know, she's a poor college student, so anytime I can impress her with some of the bougie stuff, she's like, yes. So brand new from Makeup Forever are these Rouge Artist Sparkle. Okay, I was like, I don't need a sparkly lipstick. And then I was looking at it going, ooh, maybe I do. Because, you know, those holiday parties are just, it's okay. It's okay. We're not going to holiday parties. We're staying home. We're staying safe. We're helping healthcare workers catch up because I know Seattle area hospitals, ICU units are full. Okay, never mind. I purchased Sparkle 004 Dazzling Ruby. They only have 5 shades. Like, it's just kind of a limited little, yeah. So the container is like that, and it is sparkly. I wanted to try this so bad. Whoa, that does not look anything like what I thought it would based on the, yeah. Do you see that? Oh, good. Yeah, look at that. So so I thought this was kind of the poppy orangey red one. Maybe it is. Whoa, okay. Okay, this is just an interesting shade. Maybe a little more pink. Maybe a little more vibrant fuchsia than I thought, because this is the lid. You know, I was going for kind of a coral, like, do you see? Do you see? But it could just be with the shift. That's what they think. Yeah, because once you put it on, okay. I mean, sure. This was in the 20s. It wasn't that expensive, you know, it's not like, it's not Tom Ford. It's not Louboutin. Oh my God, remember those $90 lipsticks? I didn't see any for this holiday. Normally they have like an ornament. Then I got the Artist Couture, and I wanted the nude palette. They have nude lipsticks, but instead I got the Caliente shade, which I think this is going to be red. And it reminds me, the lipstick bullet reminds me of the Anastasia. And oh, that's actually less orange red. Is that a mascara flake? Okay. Less orange red than I thought. Really pretty. You know me. Okay. Yes. Now I got the Nars Climax Extreme Mascara. I did get a mini of this a while ago and I haven't talked about it yet, but oh my goodness. So interesting, Samantha March doesn't like it because she says it clumps and flakes and transfers. Taylor Wynn loves it because it's dramatic and it wears all day. I think I'm kind of in between. I think it's gorgeous, dramatic, perfect in terms of like, you know me, I love just, oh, give me a bushy, giant, thick mascara. And it's got the bristly bristles. The formula really is rich and pigmented and like your lashes are just coated. So it is a dramatic mascara. If you're looking for that, I think you will love it. I think it just depends on, you know, are you more oily or what do you do when you put your makeup on? How much setting spray? Like, I just think it's one of those things that, yeah, because I wore it once. I wore it and it didn't transfer or flake at all. Then there was another time I wore it and I did notice that I had a couple like little black dots right there. And then I was like, oh, I guess that's my mascara. So I don't know. I'll wear it more and let you know. I got the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I've seen some positive reviews. I love a stick foundation, but they don't like me normally. And I'm not a Huda Beauty, I mean, I'm not a fan. I'm just not, I'm never drawn to her stuff that like, I don't feel like I have to have anything. I have a lip of hers. I have the foundation. It's pretty nice. It's very fragrant. And I think this one isn't fragrant, but the powder is. Yeah, so I'm excited to try this. The container is very interesting. It's square and it twists the column. I just thought that looked really interesting. Nope, no fragrance. And it's supposed to be good for, I think it's supposed to be good for all skins and particularly dry skins. And it's not terribly thick. And, you know, I think it's supposed to be really nice. So who tried it? Erin Nicole, I think she tried it. And I got the shade Cashew 140G. So, yes. And I picked up another Jouer face powder. You know, I have this obsession with powder. I mean, if you don't know, I do. And I love the Jouer pressed powder. It is an Allure Award winner, so I thought I should use it more often and kind of give it a bit of a go. You know what I mean? Give it a go. So I picked up shade Fair. I have shade Light, which is actually kind of dark, but this is the light, and I thought maybe it would be, I don't know, I'm just thinking kind of dupe to some of the other, like the Cogendo and the Sicily, you know, some of the really, really fancy ones. I don't have them. Well, I do have the Cogendo to compare. So we'll see. It is just a beautiful formula. It's hydrating. It isn't chalky at all. The compact, everything about it is just so cute. Here, let me show you. So like when you put the, oh, you can't even see it. When you put the powder in the palm of your hand and it doesn't grab onto your palm lines, then you know it's a silky powder. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it's so pale you can't see it. Hello. Let's put some on, okay? Okay. Let's see what this looks. Oh, hello. Ooh. This is just a Moda Walmart brush. Ooh. I love Jouer, so Jouer, Jouer. Jouer all the way. Jouer. Stop it. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay. I did not get a big Natasha Noda palette. I got a mini one. And you guys, what did I get? The retro one. And I like it a lot. I haven't worn it on my channel, but I love it. It's so cute. And then I think because everyone loves the Glam palette, I thought I'm going to just get the small one. I think Sydney Grace, the Everlasting Love, is that what it's called? I'm wearing that palette today and I love it. So I'm gonna give Sydney Grace my $50, $60 instead of Natasha. Just for that, just in that kind of, those kind of large ones. I might change my mind. I'm not saying I'm not ever, I'm just saying that that's where my money went this month. So this mini Glam palette, I think, is kind of a neutral, it's a neutral dream come true. I know people love this Glam palette, so I'm like, okay. Also, these mini Glam palettes, the way they are, I love them. I love the way they feel, and it's a very efficient packaging, so it makes me happy. It fits nicely into little drawers of little compartments. So let's do a swatch. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that is first class right there. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's do the last one on the end. That's just, right. Okay, yeah. I mean, I love a drugstore shadow. There's some really great drugstore shadows, but this is, whew, that's nice. And then last, I did go the affordable route with a Sephora collection product, and I figured since I like the Animal Eyes, the eyeshadow palette, I liked the little blush stacker thing, and then this one is the Untamed Face Trio. This time it's not stacked, it's in a palette, and it really caught my eye. I just thought this looks like it could be fun. So it's 3 shades, and it is glow on the go with this holiday set. Okay, so you get a Radiant Rosy Coral Blush, and then 2 highlighting shades. So kind of bronzer, it's just basically your blush and highlighter palette. So this is the blush, and I thought that was really pretty. Oh, that is nice. Oh, wow, that's good. Not chalky, really pretty. This is, let's do this. Ooh, it has like a shift. Ooh, whew. Ooh, it's not as, I thought it would be, it's not swatching as strong. So we'll see how that goes. And then this looks like a darker highlighter. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty blush or a pretty highlighter. I like that. Let's give her a little pop. I mean, I'm wearing highlighter. I forgot what highlighter I'm wearing. It's pretty. Alrighty. Yeah. Oh, hi. Now I see you. I didn't see it at first. Oh yeah, it's a little bit, it's not bad glittery, but there is some glitter. Right? That's nice. I'm trying to see if I can see it in the monitor. Yeah, that really, ooh, yeah, that, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so that was my Sephora haul. That wasn't so painful, was it? I mean, it wasn't painful for me. Hubs hasn't seen a credit card. Yeah. Okay then. Well, I am going to list everything below. I have, if there's other items that I have discount or affiliate codes for from other videos, they're always in my description box. So if you've heard me talk about another brand, just check and see if I have a discount for it. You never know. And what else? Yeah, so I hope you're doing well and make the most of whatever we've been given this holiday season, right? Okay. And oh, doing a random act of kindness. Somebody in Taco Time paid for my meal in the drive-thru. That was so sweet. And then I paid for the car behind me. And I'm wondering if they paid for the car behind them. And it just goes on and on. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.